Eligible creators can now join and get rewarded through the Snapchat Monetization program. The program is simple. Qualifying creators can receive rewards for content on Snapchat. Let's walk through what you need to know. First, how can a creator be eligible for invitation to the program? There are 3 key areas that Snapchat evaluates when considering creators for the program. In order to get invited, creators must have at least 50,000 followers on their public profile. And they must have at least 15,000 total hours of view time over the last 28 days, with at least 3,000 of those hours coming from Spotlight. In addition to meeting these criteria, you must be at least 18 years old and be in an eligible country. Of course, your content must be brand safe, original, and follow our monetization terms, creator monetization policy, community, and content guidelines. To summarize, community, consistency, and content over time are the keys to eligibility. Next, let's walk through how the monetization program works. Creators enrolled in this program will have ads appear in both stories and spotlights. For stories, ads will appear in between your snaps in your public stories. For example, if a story is 20 snaps long, a few ads may appear in between your snaps. Spotlights will need to be at least 1 minute long to be eligible for ads. For example, if a spotlight is 60 seconds long, an ad may appear after a user views the content for 30 seconds. You will then be eligible to receive payment based on the revenue generated from those ads. Once set up for payment, you can easily manage your payouts directly in-app. Finally, let's cover some best practices to consider once accepted into the program. Engage your audience. Highlight your creativity and make every second count. Keep your audience engaged by posting immersive stories and spotlights frequently. Longer stories and spotlights with higher average view time can ultimately lead to more revenue generated. The snappier the better. Use the Snapchat camera and creative tools to create engaging content. Share your real life. Interact with Snapchatters using story replies, and use your authentic voice to connect with your audience. Captivate quickly. Snapchatters decide if they're going to watch your content within the first few seconds. So start with a bang and hook them right away using strong visuals like dynamic motion or bright colors. Keep it clean, original, and advertiser-friendly. Snapchat is committed to protecting our community, many of which are as young as 13 years old. As part of the program, your content is held to the highest standards of our community guidelines and creator monetization policy. Remember, our goal is to reward creators who post original, engaging, and brand-safe content. So post content that Snapchatters enjoy viewing and advertisers feel eager to associate their brands with. If you are contacted by a third party promising invitation to the program in exchange for payment, please note that such third party is not affiliated with or authorized to act on behalf of Snap in any way. As a reminder, Snap does not charge any fees or accept payment of any kind in exchange for invitation to the monetization program. Qualified creators will be notified via email if accepted into the program, so make sure your account settings are up to date. For more information, check out the Snapchat Creator Hub, and happy snapping!